Bakit nga ba madali sa atin magsulat, pero nahihirapan tayo magsalita? Baka pagtawanan ako, baka nakakatawa yung accent ko. I talk to myself a lot. Maganda siya kasi sa makipag-usap ko sa ibang tao, right? I didn't have anyone to talk to. The more you use it in real life, and the more you use it in real situations, diba? Hindi mo namamalayan, parang nagiging automatic na sa'yo. Nagiging natural na lang sa'yo. And it becomes a second nature. Kahit magkamali ka, it's okay. That's how you use language. Okay, for disclaimer, I'm not a teacher, but I'm an incoming teacher and my course is Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, and I'm on my second year. I'm an incoming second year, so I'm gonna be speaking from my experience. I'm also gonna be explaining how I got my accent. I've never been outside of the country. I was born and raised here in the Philippines. If you want to learn how to speak like a native English speaker without even studying, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, I'm going to be explaining with you guys how you can learn English naturally and speak it comfortably without studying. I've learned how to speak English without studying. I've learned my accent through exposing myself on certain things that I'm going to be teaching later. And I'm also am able to speak now in English comfortably with my friends and my family and everyone in my circle. And so, yeah, if you want to learn how I learn English, then keep on watching. Bakit nga ba madali sa atin magsulat, pero nahihirapan tayo magsalita? We know how to write things, we know how to write essays, but when it comes to speaking, hirap tayo. You know, we've learned English throughout our lives from elementary to high school and up to college. We learn all the basic things, grammar rules, vocabulary, but we have a hard time speaking it. And that's because we didn't practice it at all. Bihira tayo magsalita ng English through casual conversations. Parang sa driving lang. Kahit anong basa mo ng manual, if you don't really do the driving, then you're not gonna be able to learn it. You have to really put yourself out there and really speak it. Number 2 reason is the fear of being judged. Maraming natatakot o maraming nahihiya magsalita ng English, kaya madalas sa atin ay nagiging conscious when it comes to speaking, and it makes us nervous and it makes us think na baka pagtawanan ako, baka nakakatawa yung accent ko, or baka hindi perfect yung grammar ko. Pero mostly, hindi naman yan about sa grammar. It's about hiya. Nahihiya tayong i-express yung sarili natin. Nahihiya tayong magkamali, and we're afraid of making mistakes. So, here are the 3 tips in order for you to become good in English. Tip number 1, surround yourself with English every day. So instead of studying, just absorb. Immerse yourself with the English language. Manood kayo ng mga movies in English. Manood kayo ng mga vlogs in English. Series. The thing that I'm doing is, for example, mahilig ako sa makeup. So I watch videos or vlogs that are makeup, and they're speaking English. I watch Get Ready With Me, skincare videos, vlogs. Kasi if you're gonna try to watch English tutorial, syempre mabuboard ka. So you should connect something that you love to what you want to learn. Diba? Para ma-motivate ka mag-aral, hindi ka maboard. And kapag hindi ka naman mahilig manood and you don't really have the time, then you should listen to podcasts. Habang naglalaba ka, habang naghuhugas ka ng pinggan, habang nililinis mo yung kwarto mo, nakikinig ka ng English. Mga podcasts, stories, or life experiences, life advice, relationship, all of the things that are in English. You immerse yourself with the language. So here are the videos that I watch on YouTube. Dito ako natutong mag-English, natural English.
See me getting married to Mr.
I also
Man.
watch
That's
to
a juicy question.
half-sisters.
We want to get married, and mom's like, no.
Are you in love?
Yeah, babe. I just want you to be just
Yeah.
the mother of my
Those
children.
are good English, natural English. I watch a lot. I also love watching Cat's Eyes documentaries. Like, they're so good in English. Look. Cat's Eye interview.
What was the last thing you looked up in your Google search?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of sad.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, that's your history. That's your history.
There's all two.
I also watch Amy. Usually, mga Korean pinapanood ko. Mga Korean people that are living in America. I just like Asian people. Like,
My girlies. 제가 지금 상태가
she speaks some Korean, but she's mostly fluent in English.
And I feel like some of you might secretly agree too. Hey friend, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Jules and I help women step into their power.
These
tap
are
into
the
their confidence.
English creators that I watch. Siguro advantage na rin sa akin because I was exposed early. Before nung basa ko, we only have like one CD. And yung CD na yun is Barbie. Yun ang lagi namin paulit-ulit piniplay. And the more you hear about it, naturally ma-absorb mo siya. You know, when kids are really good in English. When you go to the mall, you go outside, marami kang marinig ng mga batang mas marunong mag-English sa'yo. And that's because maaga sila na-expose to English. They watch a lot. They don't really study, di ba? Kids don't study English, but they expose themselves with English videos. That's why they learn how to speak English than most of us. If you're still struggling, kuwari hindi mo pa mabilis ma-pick up yung language nila, you can turn on the subtitles, and then kapag naging comfortable ka na, you can just turn it off and then just listen to it. Doon ako nag-start eh. I started watching movies with subtitles para sabay, di ba? Sabay ka natututo. You learn through listening and reading. The next tip, this sounds funny or crazy, but it's really effective. Talk to yourself. I talk to myself a lot in front of the mirror. If you guys want to pretend or something, you can put on your camera and you can talk to yourself and you can pretend like you're vlogging. Mas maganda siya kaysa sa makipag-usap ko sa ibang tao, right? I didn't have anyone to talk to in English, and that would make me feel weird because I'm the only one speaking. But if you really want to learn it by yourself, then you really have to learn it by yourself, sister. What you need to do is to talk to yourself in front of the mirror, or you set up a camera and talk to yourself. Like, ganito lang. Today we're gonna be cooking this, and I prepared these are the ingredients, blah blah blah. Para sa sarili mo. You can keep it, you can record yourself. So as the day goes by, monitor mo kung ano yung mga improvements mo with your English. Tip number 3 is use English in your daily life. Gamitin mo yung English kahit sa casual moments, because that's how your brain will gonna get used to it. Try to speak English little by little. Kahit yung mga expression mo, kahit yung mga complain mo, like, why is it taking so long? Ganon. And, you know, yung mga simple phrases, the more you use it in real life, and the more you use it in real situations, the faster you will build fluency and confidence. Diba? Hindi mo namamalayan, parang nagiging automatic na sa'yo. Nagiging natural na lang sa'yo. Automatic na siya lumalabas from your mouth. Maganda rin siya because it trains your brain to think in English, which is a game changer kasi it stops your head from translating words in English. And that makes you speak faster, smoother, and with more confidence. And it becomes a second nature. Kahit magkamali ka, it's okay. That's okay. That's how you use language. Use it or lose it. Okay, this is my bonus tip. This is not for everyone because not everyone loves reading, diba? If you want to add more vocabulary into your speaking, then you need to read a lot. Doon ako nakakakuha ng mga bagong words that I add into my vocabulary that I speak every day. Hindi ka lang marunong sa speaking, but also you get good at spelling. And last tip is to stop being shy, because shyness can get you nowhere. Girlie, I'm trying to tell you, hindi ka na mapapakain ng hiya. You really need to get out of your comfort zone and try to put yourself out there. Give yourself time, okay? Give yourself 3 months, 6 months. Promise me, you will gonna learn English. Ano yung araw-araw mong naririnig, kung ano yung araw-araw mong pinapanood, you will eventually gonna learn it. Trust me. So yun lang guys. I hope you understand my video and I hope that you can learn English by yourself. You can do it. You have to just really put yourself out there. Get out of your comfort zone. You really have to expose yourself. Keep watching videos that are in English. And yeah. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Yeah.